Welcome to Learn English Daily Talk. Hello, everyone. Today we will learn about Emma's daily routine. These are words and sentences you can use every single day. I will speak very slowly and clearly so you can hear every sound. If you follow me and read together, you will remember them and use them in real life. My name is Emma. I am a housewife. I live with my husband Mark and our two children, Emma and Jack. We have a small, nice house in a quiet area. Every day is busy, but I feel happy when I help my family. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The house is still quiet. Everyone is sleeping. I walk to the kitchen, open the curtains, and let the sunlight come in. The air is fresh. I hear birds singing outside. I make a cup of hot coffee. I like to hold the warm cup. It makes me feel calm and ready for the day. I sit near the window and drink my coffee slowly. Sometimes I think about my plans. Sometimes I just enjoy the silence. After my coffee, I make breakfast. I fry eggs, toast some bread, and cut fresh fruit. The good smell of bread fills the kitchen. At 7 o'clock, my children wake up. Emma runs into the kitchen and hugs me. Jack sits down and yawns. They tell me about their dreams. My husband comes in smiling and reads the newspaper. We all eat together, talking and laughing. I love these moments. At 8 o'clock, my children put on their school bags. I check their lunch boxes. My husband kisses me goodbye and leaves for work. Then I watch Emma and Jack walk to the school bus. I wave until I can't see them anymore. When the house is empty, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes, wipe the table, and put everything back in its place. Then I sweep the floor and water the plants. My plants make the house look nice. Around 9:30, I go to the bedroom and make the beds. I open the windows to let fresh air in. Then I do the laundry. I put the clothes in the washing machine and press the start button. While waiting, I listen to music. It makes the work feel lighter. At 11 o'clock, I hang the clean clothes outside in the sun. The wind is gentle. I check the fridge and make a list for shopping. I write down vegetables, bread, milk, eggs, and some fruit. At noon, I make lunch for myself. It is usually something simple, like vegetable soup or a cheese sandwich. I sit at the kitchen table with my lunch and a book. The house is quiet. It feels peaceful. After lunch, I take my shopping bag. I walk to the small supermarket near my house. On the way, I say hello to my neighbors. The supermarket has everything I need. I buy fresh vegetables, bread, milk, and eggs. When I get home, I put the food away and start preparing dinner. I cut vegetables for a salad, cook rice, and season the chicken. The smell of garlic fills the kitchen. While the food is cooking, I tidy the living room. At 4 o'clock, the school bus comes. Emma and Jack run into the house. They talk about their day. Emma shows me her drawing. Jack tells me he played football. We have a snack together. Around 6 o'clock, my husband comes home. He hugs the children and asks about their day. Then we sit down for dinner. We eat, talk, and tell funny stories. The children laugh, and the house feels warm and full of love. After dinner, I wash the dishes again. My husband helps by drying them. Then we clean the table. Sometimes we all watch a TV show together. At 8:30, it is time for the children to get ready for bed. They brush their teeth and put on pajamas. I read them a short story. After reading, I kiss them goodnight and turn off the light. At 9 o'clock, I make a cup of tea for myself. I sit on the sofa, drink my tea slowly, and think about the day. Sometimes I call my mother and talk for a while. Before bed, I check tomorrow's to-do list. I brush my teeth and put on my pajamas. I get into bed and feel tired but happy. My day is busy, but my heart is full. I hope you learned many useful expressions today, and that you can use them in your daily life. We are making more slow and clear videos like this, so you can follow along and practice every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.